Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about mesothelioma and asbestos law films. What is mesothelioma? A mesothelioma law film will best serve mesothelioma patients and their loved ones because these law films specialize in asbestos law and mesothelioma cases. Law firms can get compensation for patients and loved ones by filing a mesothelioma lawsuit, asbestos trust fund claim, and other benefit claims. Okay, and this is the main topic. What is a mesothelioma law firm? Mesothelioma law firms focus on asbestos litigation. They specialize in handling personal injury lawsuits, wrongful death lawsuits, and trust funds claims for patients and families facing mesothelioma. Hiring an experienced asbestos law firm is your family's best step towards securing mesothelioma compensation. These specialized firms tend to focus solely on asbestos cases and offer unparalleled expertise in this area of law. So, the next topic is why you need a law firm specializing in asbestos exposure cases. Asbestos databases. These firms have developed extensive resources to help build your case, including asbestos product databases and historical case records. Complex state laws. Asbestos litigation laws are challenging to understand and vary by state, making a nationwide firm the best way to secure compensation. Streamlined process and asbestos firm's background and knowledge translate into a more effortless experience for you and your family throughout the legal process. Substantial rewards. A significant amount of money is at stake in a mesothelioma lawsuit, which can cover treatment costs, end of life expenses, travel, lodging, and more. Mesothelioma law firms have developed a deep knowledge and emotional understanding of mesothelioma and how stressful it is to navigate cancer treatment and health insurance. They understand how a terminal cancer diagnosis affects family and how important it is to spend precious time with loved ones. National firms have litigated cases and trust fund claims nationwide. So, choosing a nationwide firm gives you access to a network of attorneys with asbestos case expertise in each state. They will determine the proper jurisdiction for filing your claim within the legal time limitation to maximize your recovery. So, this is the list of top law firms. Top mesothelioma law firms are showing on your screen. These are the most top law firms. Okay, how to choose a mesothelioma law firm. So this is the interview of Peter Tambini. Mesothelioma law firms specialize in asbestos cases. When choosing your mesothelioma law firm, the first thing to look for is their years of experience and history of success. The top asbestos law firms in the US have a team of qualified attorneys who understand what you and your loved ones are facing and can give you confidence when pursuing your legal options. Lawyers who understand mesothelioma and asbestos. Asbestos law firms have intimate knowledge of different types of asbestos related diseases and understand how this impacts the patient and the legal process. The teams of experts at these firms advocate for expedited trial dates and quick settlements based on the state asbestos law that apply to your claim. They will also conduct depositions as soon as possible to avoid statutes of limitations, letting you focus on your medical care. So, these are the steps in mesothelioma legal process, which is the main topic. The legal process begins with finding a mesothelioma law firm and Scheduling a consultation so you can learn more about the firm and they can learn more about your case. First of all is free consultation. The best mesothelioma law firms offer free consultation and case reviews. During this meeting, you can ask questions about the firm's history of success, and the firm will ask you about the patient's diagnosis and work history. Second step is documenting exposure history. If the law firm believes you have a case, they will start to build it by gathering evidence to support your claim. In addition to a lawsuit, they may recommend you consider a claim with an asbestos trust fund or the US Department of Veterans Affairs. Number third point is filing claims. Once your case is built and supported by evidence, your lawyer will file the claim in the proper state or with the appropriate asbestos trust fund. Your claim may be valid in multiple states depending on several factors, including the statute of limitations. Number fourth point is discovery process. A discovery period will follow for lawsuits or a claim review will follow for trust fund claims. Your lawyer will handle every aspect of the legal process and they will coach you through any interviews or depositions you may need to provide. Fifth point is compensation distribution. If your claim is successful, your lawyer will most likely be the one to distribute compensation to you. You may choose between a lump sum or receiving payments in installments. These are the state directory asbestos litigation expert by state fund local law firms. These are the states California, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and Texas. These are the common FAQs. Common questions about a hiring mesothelioma law firms. How long do I have to hire mesothelioma law firm? Okay, this is our video's topic and the topic is covered. So if you like our video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.